You want to learn how to make your own T-part lace closure?
You damn Skippy.
Alright, I'm about to show you how. Let's go.
Sis.
Okay, first you're going to measure how big you want your front area from ear to ear. Right here, I measure out 9 inches.
I like 9 inches.
Get your mind out the gutter and trace from top to bottom, and you're going to measure 3 inches for the T-part area.
Uh-huh.
Draw a line for the 3 inches right at the back of your 9-inch parting.
Okay.
Okay, at the end of your 9-inch parting, you're going to do the 3 inches up and down and connect the dots. This right here should give you a perfect measurement, so when you cut out your T-lace, it's going to fit the cap. To measure your hairline, you're going to fold the lace in half and you're going to put T-pins in it to hold it in place. Get concealer and mark off a dot right here on the edge for the middle. Measure 2 inches, mark off the side, and connect the dots and draw a line so you can create your hairline. Take the pins out, and this is how it should look right here. You see how it carved out the small widow's peak area in the side and around the temple and the sideburns.
Oh, okay. Now show me how to sew it on.
Okay, so after you sew the 3-inch top part, you're going to sew the sides secondly. All right, you're going to sew it right in between the lace so it won't tear. Loop it only one time so it can be flexible and go around the whole perimeter except for the hairline.
Okay, now what?
Now take the wig off, flip it inside out, and be careful when you cut the cap under the lace. If you want to learn how to ventilate your own lace frontal,
Yep.
cut and style it, follow me for more.
And I will. Thank you, girl.